Okay, so here we are at the top of the door now, and just a little bit on the top roller bracket. So it's a two-piece device. This plate connects us to the door, and then this part holds the roller. Now, you know that there's two setups for the door. One is with an electric motor and one is manual. So in a manual door, what you actually want is the top panel not just to be able to flop back inwards. So you set the top roller as far forwards and down, and you'll actually feel in the front of the curve there's a small vertical step in the curve. So you actually want, when the top panel's closed in there, down into that vertical piece and then tightened up. Now that means that you can't then just pull the panel back, you've actually got to lift the door. So that's no good if you're setting an electric motor, because an electric motor moves linearly. It moves straight back, and if the door moves straight back, the panel's got to follow it, or else all that will happen is the top of the panel goes. So we have to set the top roller in a slightly different position. Now, if you set the roller away back here, which you could do, the problem is though that you're making the panel effectively twice as thick. It's almost 80 millimeters thick. And then when the door comes up and transitions through this curve, it'll probably smack into the spring tray. So that's not a good thing to do. Another little tip is, if you actually have it so that it's running and pushing down on the top of the track rather than the bottom of the track, then as the door goes into that final closed position, you'll actually get compression by the roller pushing down onto the bottom floor. You can't overdo that, but we're just allow it just to give that little bit of assistance. So I like to get the top roller so that the axle's sitting just inside the top panel. Then I just make sure it's closing and then just tighten those nuts up there like that. When the motor closes that will give a nice compression and get us going, sitting down nicely. Okay, excellent. Let's get it complete and think about the motor.